Hello, my friends. I'm Doug's storyteller. I have many stories to tell. Every day, I'm going to tell you a new one. A group of kids alerted people to a dog covered in tar. How much Aloe had suffered, the desperation of not being able to move for so long. Aloe was covered completely with tar and she couldn't move. Some kids found the dog totally stuck to the ground and alerted their parents. The parents of the kids called Libertad's volunteer firefighters. Aloe was stuck to the ground, so that the volunteers had to free the dog from the ground as soon as possible. They used liters and liters of oil to remove her from 9 hours non-stop. The volunteer cleaned the tar from the dog body. The volunteers were so afraid that she could die at any time. But after the first bath, she seems to relax so much. Aloe would be exhausted, so they let her to sleep. All she wanted was to stay near of her savior and cuddle. Aloe has truly reborn that night, and she has ahead of her a great life. She deserves it, just like all the dogs in the world.